When it comes to just really easy countertop water filters, I really like this one. This is the one that we have here in our house. Now, I'm going to do a demo on it so that you can see how it works, things that I like about it, but also I'm going to do this demo with this TDM meter. This is something that can measure the total dissolved membranes of all the water that's going on. Let's see how dirty it is going in and clean coming out. So we're also going to do that example, which is really nice. But aesthetically, I really like it. I like that it's nice and tall and slim versus others where it's like this chunky kind of like takes up way too much, square footage when it comes to your countertop. So how it works is, first of all, plug and play. Pull it out of the box. You can fill it up with water, plug it in, and you're ready to go. But it has the big old reservoir here on the backside, and this is where you're going to be able to fill up with water. And by the way, you saw me just sliding this here on my countertop. It's not going to scratch it because on the bottom has these like nice rubber pads. But obviously, as you're using it, the water will go down. When you need to fill it up, how this works is you just pull this part right out. This is what you can fill up with water. It doesn't make it look as awkward when it's empty because it's going to be a lot lighter. But I wanted to show you guys that here on the backside, this is where the filters are. So you have your CF and your RO filter. Then on the inside, you have an UV light going on. So there's a lot happening here, but very simple where you just, let's actually do the test right now. Okay, guys, watch this. We're going to fill this up with some water. You fill it up with tap water. Filled up. This is what we're going to use. I'm going to use my meter and we're going to turn it on. I'm on my ppm, which is 0, and then I'm going to put that in there, and we're sitting at about, let's hold that, at about 201. So let's remember that number, 201, and then when we do the filter, let's see what that's sitting at. So this is the exact water that we use. We're going to filter. We're just going to put that in here, and then you grab this. This is what it would look like when you're actually, refilling it because it would be full. You just put it right back on, close this. And then, you can have it however you want. I'm just kind of giving you guys an example. This has a lot of different options when it comes to how you want to fill it up. You can, if you want, have like just 6 ounces pour out, 12 or 15, or you can kind of just, like start it and stop it whenever you want. You can flush out the system. You can reset it when you're doing the filters. But let's just, for sake of example, let's fill it up with 12 ounces. So this is how fast it comes out. It's not going to be flying out there because if it was, that means there's not a lot of filtering going on. So it takes a little tiny bit of time, but it does a really, really good job and tastes amazing, which I absolutely love, and gets all the stuff that we don't want out of, that you don't want in the water out. But this is exactly how it works. I like the fact that it has this, just in case there is any spillage, it'll catch it. But I actually want to show you, if you want to, you can get rid of it. So you know me, I absolutely love magnets. This part is magnetized. So if you don't want it for aesthetic purposes, or to be able to have like a bigger area to be able to set something down on, you can do that, or you can have that, however it is that you want. So obviously we just filtered this. Tastes great, but let's see if it helps. We're at 201, remember? Set it and in. So now we're at 53. So that took out a lot very quickly, which I absolutely love. So that's very nice to be able to have something like that that does a really good job at just instantly just helping all the water that you have and then making sure that you're getting that nice, clean, filtered water. So it does a really good job. It also goes pretty quick, which I really like. I mean, there's others that come out really slow. This did a good job. I really, really like it. Hope you guys enjoy too.